Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can open up a cPanel account, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the main page of cPanel, and I'm going to go ahead and go into account login. Now, you do need to buy cPanel if you want to use it. However, I'll just show you guys how to open up an account, and once we're on the login page, we can click here to create an account, and once we click on that, then we'll be able to register. Now, as you can see, all you need to do is fill out your personal information, your first name, last name, your email address, and your phone number. And then for the billing address, you need the company name if you have it, the street address, and the second one if you have it as well, the city, postcode, United States, or your country rather, and then the tax ID, which is also optional. Then you need to generate a password or create one yourself, and you can select whether you want to choose to join the mailing list or not. I would just recommend against it, simply because, well, it can give you a lot of spam on your email account. And then once you fill out all that information, you can just click register, and that will create your cPanel account. And then once that's done, you're just gonna have to go over into your email address, which you used to set this up, and possibly verify it if it is needed. You might get a text message to verify that it is you with a security code, etc., etc. And yeah, that is pretty much as complicated as it gets. It's really not that difficult. You just need to register for it as easily as for any other service, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.